Once again, we are here, and Easter is here with us, and it is such a beautiful time to think of the Christian. This is our origin, and we know it was a time we are celebrating, but Jesus did not celebrate at that time. It was a time of grief. It was a time of loss, even to the disciples and to everyone. Every hope had gone because Jesus was again betraying the hope of the people, betraying the hope of the disciples. They didn't ever imagine a time that this Christ would not be their king here on earth. He was dying on the cross. Those who had been his friends have betrayed him. Those who were with him, those who had been fed bread, they betrayed him, and they said he should be crucified. And that began the story of the Christian today. That is what has embedded the foundation of Christianity. The day he died, that we may be able to live again. The day that this Jesus was able to exchange your name for his and to transform you to make you a Christian, and died so that your sins may be forgiven. And that, as we celebrate our Easter this time, I would like you to reflect very carefully and think, this salvation which you are given, have you received it? Are you born again? You can imagine he was beaten, he was torn apart, he cried on the cross, my Lord, why have you forsaken me? He was forsaken that you will never be forsaken. He was crucified so that you yourself and all the crucifixions that have been going on, you can become a new creature, a person who can be able to find acceptance before the heavens. And I know today, as we celebrate this Easter, things are going to turn around for you, because Jesus died that you may live. Jesus died to give you the joy. Jesus died that you may be born again. And this is my appeal to you, that you should be born again. It is my appeal to you that your children should be born again, because this is the way, the truth, and the life. So I wish you and every family in Kenya and the world a very happy Easter.